So, good morning, students. How are you? So, today we are continuing with what? Food. Okay. So, in previous classes we seen about what? On the basis of their eating habits. Okay. Classifying the animal. Classifying the in three categories: herbivore. Okay, herbivore, carnivore and omnivore, and discuss that. Okay, so today we will be discussing about what? Producers. Okay, so producers है ना, producers means जो all the plants or all the living thing which produce their food by themselves. ओके, यानी जो खुद का फूड खुद प्रिपेयर करते हैं. ठीक है, अब आप ये बोलेंगे कि ह्यूमन बीइंग भी तो खुद के लिए पैसे कमाता है, बट वी नॉट एनी मैकेनिज्म टू गोज फॉर प्रिपेयर द फूड. ओके, बट plants are goes to prepare their food. Okay, so producers, plants are producers. Okay, plants are क्या है कि producers of food है. ठीक है, they prepare their food. Okay, and again that they prepare their food. So all the green plants which you observing our nearby area है ना, अपने जो सराउंडिंग में जो टोटल जो सराउंडिंग है ना, गार्डन में देखा होगा, अपने घर में देखा होगा, खेतों में देखा होगा, बाड़ी में देखा होगा, है ना. So all the green plants prepare their food. Okay, so how they are prepare their foods? So CO2 in this is the carbon dioxide which are present in atmosphere. So all the green plants absorbing the CO2. Okay, and in the presence of water, है ना, पेड़ों को क्या लगता है? पानी लगता है. So these are, और क्या लगता है? लाइट. ओके, यानी लाइट, यानी अब लाइट कहां से आएगा? ये सनलाइट जो है, ठीक है, सन से आने वाली जो रेज है, सनलाइट. सो और जो प्लांट्स में रहने वाले जो एक पिगमेंट होता है, जो लीव्स को, उसकी वजह से ड्यू टू विच दैट द लीव्स ऑफ प्लांट्स acquired green color, that is chlorophyll. Okay, that is the color pigment. So CO2 plus H2O in the presence of light and again what? Presence of chlorophyll, they food is prepared. Okay, as in the form of glucose or starch. Okay, and liberation of the oxygen. So this is the what mechanism or process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, and this process is known as photosynthesis, और इसी प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? फोटोसिंथेसिस. So with the help of photosynthesis all plants prepare their food. Okay, and plants are known as producers. So next, taking about that सोर्सेस ऑफ फूड. ओके, अब देखो सोर्सेस ऑफ फूड कौन से हैं, है ना, विच आर द सोर्सेस ऑफ द फूड. ओके, सो एवरी डे वी ईटिंग सम प्लांट्स, प्लांट से आने वाले फूड ईट करते हैं, है ना. सम ऑफ दैट एनिमल ओरिजिन. ओके, जैसे मिल्क हो गया, एग्स हो गया, नॉनवेज हो गया, है ना. सो दीज आर व्हाट? एनिमल से मिलने वाले जो फूड है, एंड प्लांट से जो भी ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स. सो दीज आर व्हाट? सोर्सेस ऑफ फूड. ओके, सो टेकिंग व्हाट? सोर्सेस ऑफ फूड. Sources of food. Okay, so food obtained from the plants. Okay, that is, अब प्लांट से क्या क्या मिलता है? ठीक है ना, फूड्स ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स, दैट इज सेरेल्स. अब जितने भी जो चावल वगैरह है ना, गेहूं है, चावल है, ये सब. फिर उसके बाद में है पल्सेस. ओके, पल्सेस and vegetables, fruits, different types of fruits. Okay, अभी कुछ दिनों पहले we enjoying the mango fruit season. Okay, fruits, again different oils, है ना, ऑयल्स जो होता है, देन शुगर केन से शुगर मिलती है, ठीक है, टी, कॉफी एंड स्पाइसेस. ओके, कॉफी एंड स्पाइसेस. अब स्पाइसेस है ना, जितने भी मसाले है ना, जो भी मसाले का जो यूज करते हैं, दैट इज द स्पाइसेस. सो these are the plant sources. Okay, means plants providing the different types of foods, that is cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, oil, sugar, tea, coffee and spices. Okay, these are the plant based food. Okay, next अब cereals में देखो, अब cereals पे क्या करेंगे कि and some of the food are eating what in the cooked form and some of eating in the form of raw form. Okay, so cereal are the most important sources of food for man and animals. Okay, अब जो cereals जो होते हैं ना, cereals, so cereals ऐसे देखो, every human being or every person, their main diet is what contain of rice and roti. Okay, so rice and roti. So for making of rice, that is they are the rice grain है ना, and here is what wheat. So these are what cereals. So these are cereals. Okay, so cereals are the most important sources of food for man and animals. Okay, they are rich sources of carbohydrates, and again these are source of carbohydrates. So जो main energy जो मिलती है वो किससे मिलती है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट से मिलती है, and these are provided by cereals. Okay, the three most important cereals are wheat, and which one them? Here is the question to you, which are the important cereals. Okay, so these are wheat, rice and maize. Okay, so these are the different important cereals. Okay, so see at the picture at your books, there is what wheat, maize and rice. Okay, so these are cereals. Okay, next is pulses are legumes. Okay, अब जो देखो, अब every person eating rice with what? दाल है ना, दाल लगती है अपने को. उसके बाद में जो भी अलग अलग जो ये होते हैं ना, चटपटी खाना ही है. उसके बाद में स्प्राउट्स खाने हैं, तो इसके लिए क्या लगते हैं कि जो जर्मिनेटेड जो सीड जो होते हैं ना स्प्राउट्स के लिए, सो मूंग. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो व्हाट? पल्सेस आर लेग्यूम्स. ओके, सो वी विल टेकिंग अबाउट व्हाट पल्सेस आर लेग्यूम्स. Pulses are legume. Okay, pulses are legumes. अब देखो pulses are legumes जो होते हैं, so they are source of proteins. Okay, sources of protein. So protein required for the protection from the diseases and growing of the what body growth. Okay, so proteins and pulses are rich in proteins. Okay, and are obtained from the seeds of leguminous plants. So common pulses include, अब देखो कौन से pulses होते हैं? पील. ओके, मटर के दाने होते हैं, ग्राम होता है ना, चना, मूंग होता है, तुअर की दाल होती है ना, तूर दाल. So these are what pulses, kidney beans है ना. Kidney beans means जो राजमा होता है, ठीक है. So these are the sources of proteins. सोयाबीन, ग्राउंड नट है ना, मूंगफली के दाने. So these are the different pulses are leguminous seeds, okay, and they are sources of proteins. Next है vegetables. So we are taking what? Plant sources, okay. Firstly is taken about what? Cereals, and next is pulses, okay. So next is vegetables, okay. So many of you are, मुझे ये सब्जी नहीं खानी है, वो सब्जी नहीं खानी है ना. So you are showing what you are नखरे दिखाते घर में है ना, वेजिटेबल्स खाने के लिए. So we are क्या कर रहे हैं, वेजिटेबल्स के बारे में अपन जान रहे हैं. So we are taking information about what vegetables and what are they, okay. So vegetables are rich sources of vitamins, minerals and roughage, okay. So vegetables जो होते हैं different sources of vitamins are vitamins, okay. Some are pronouncing as vitamins and some are pronouncing as vitamins, okay. Vitamins, roughage and minerals. So different जो ये है vegetables है, they providing the different vitamins or minerals, okay. And water content in vegetable में क्या होता है कि water content क्या होता है कि very high, near about to 70%, near about 70% of water is present in vegetable, and there. So here is what कि carrot जो है ना. So different vegetables and what are their parts is used by, okay. अब carrot क्या है, ये root है ना, stem होता है, ठीक है. carrot and radish, it is the roots है ना. ये कौन सा पार्ट है, roots का पार्ट है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है sweet potato in the month of February and March, okay. Sweet potato, it is also the root, ये भी क्या है, एक root है. नेक्स्ट है potato and onion, it is also what, stems, and cabbage and spinach, okay. अब cabbage देखो और spinach, कैबेज और स्पिंच यानी पालक है ना. So these are what, leaves. So these are deriving from that different parts of the plants, okay. Next है मेथी है ना. You know that मेथी which is what, stem or and leaf. Stem and leaf, okay. Stem and leaf. And tomato it is what, fruit, okay. So these are the body parts which are used as a vegetables, okay. So next step, fruits, okay. So all of you are like the different foods. Some of like what, bananas, apples, chickus, again what, mangoes, grapes, strawberry, jackfruit, pineapple, and so on. So these are what, different fruits, okay. So fruits have high water content. अब fruit में क्या होता है कि बहुत ज्यादा पानी की क्वांटिटी होती है, वाटर कंटेंट बहुत ज्यादा होता है, and but are rich in minerals and vitamins. So and food are taking in the raw form, okay. So common fruits, so all of you know that guava, pineapple, mango, papita, and so on. So these are what different fruits. So next we'll be taking in what sugar and so on. Okay. So enjoying your study. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.